Hello and welcome to Puzzle Masters product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at the Pons 12 puzzle. This puzzle was designed and made by Yu Osaka, a famous puzzle designer who created such amazing puzzles as Jigsaw 29, Jigsaw 19, Wave 5, Wave 7 and others. The Pons 12 puzzle has difficulty level 9 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to fit all pieces inside the frame. The Pons 12 is made from laser cut acrylic. The frame has a blue color which looks like a pond. There are 10 half transparent parts that have different shapes, and there are also two small fishes. One has a black color, another has like a milk white color. And you have to figure out the way how to fit all parts inside the tray, including two small fishes. At a first glance, it looks quite simple. You just put parts inside the tray, but you will find that you can easily put all these 10 parts inside, but there will be not enough space for two small fishes. There are two parts here that have half a shape of the fish, like you can put a fish here, and you may think that you can put a fish like that, and that's how you put the fishes into the frame. But once you start solving the puzzle, you will find that it will be not as easy, and you have to think much harder in order to solve this puzzle. It is a great design from Yu Osaka, as exciting as one of his best puzzles like Jigsaw 29. Great trick, great aha moment, and highly recommended puzzle in your collection. If you like the Pons 12 puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching. See you next time.